I don't know about you, but I'm ready for this year to come to an end. And not just because of all the crap we've been through in 2020, but because somebody printed off his do-it-himself planner for 2021 and it's all ready to go. So I'm going to totally geek out here. This fall I came up with this concept. I call it the Clipboard planner. Why? Because my planner is made out of 52 weekly booklets, and each booklet fits ever so nicely on my clipboard. And I have space to create an index of the major things that happened that week. I have space to log how I used time every day of the week. And it's all arranged to flip the long ways, so this can go into a binder and I can flip up the pages and all the writing is in the same direction, so I don't have to, turn the notebook around. I've got a place to do all of my to-dos Saturday and Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and I have plenty of room to write notes for what I do at work and for personal notes. So I came up with this in early September, and I've been tweaking the design just a little bit. But I've finally gone about a month without making any tweaks at all, and I decided, let's pull the trigger. Let's print a whole year's worth of these at once. So I'm all set to go, and I'm feeling really good about this.